So today we will perform one practical capacitance demonstration kit. That means we will verify how the capacitance that depends upon the area of the plates and the distance in between the two plates and the non-conducting medium in between the two plates. And you know the relation between the capacitance charge and the charging voltage. Q is equals to C into V. Q is the charge, C is the capacitance and V is the charging voltage. And the capacitance C that depends upon area of the plates. Capacitance is directly proportional to the area of the plates. That means if the area of the plate increases, then the capacitance will be more, and distance between the two plates, the capacitance that is inversely proportional to the distance between the two plates. This is the diagram, the distance between the two plates. If the distance increases, then the capacitance decreases because it is inversely proportional. Then non-conductive material between the two plates. This is the non-conductive material in between the two plates, that is directly proportional. Then the formula of capacitance C, that is equals to epsilon A divided by D. That means it is directly proportional to area, inversely proportional to the distance between the two plates, and directly proportional to the epsilon. Now we will verify how it depends upon area and depends upon the distance between the two plates in practical. Let's go for practical. Now we will perform the practical, that is how the capacitance depends upon the area of the plates and the distance of separation in between the two plates, and if we insert a non-conducting material in between the two plates. So for this purpose we have two plates having area 20 into 20 centimeter, that is 400 square centimeter, and these are having more area, that is 28 into 28 centimeter, that is more area. And then we have to insert a non-conducting material, glass, in between the two plates, and we will verify how the capacitance increases. And this is the instrument, LCR meter, which will show the capacitance. Let's go for practical. This is the digital LCR meter. By using this device we can measure the capacitance, which having two terminals. One is negative terminal, another is positive terminal, and if we connect this terminal with one plate, then that plate will be negatively charged, and if we connect the another plate with positive terminal, then that plate will be positively charged. Let's connect, and the reading shows 0 now. And when we connect it with the two small plates, then the reading shows 0.013, and the distance of separation between the two plates is 5 centimeter. And let's connect it with the two plates having large area of cross section, and let's see what will be the capacitance. Let's connect it with the two large plates, and now the reading shows 0.022, and as the area of cross section increases, the capacitance also increases. That is, capacitance is directly proportional to the area of cross section. That is, when area of cross section will be more, the capacitance will be more. And next is how the capacitance varies with the distance of separation between the two plates. Here the distance of separation between the two plates is 5 centimeter. The reading is 0.022 and we have to increase the distance of separation. Then we have to observe the capacitance. When I increase the distance of separation between the two plates, the capacitance decreases. The reading is 0.012. That means with increase in distance between the two plates, the capacitance decreases, which indicates the distance of separation between the two plates is inversely proportional to the capacitance. Next, we have to insert on non-conducting material. Now, in between the two plates, air is present and the capacitance reading shows 0.058. And next, we have to insert a non-conducting material in between the two plates, and let insert on plastic plate in between the two plates and observe the reading shows more. That means when we insert a non-conducting material in between the two plates, the capacitance increases. The reading shows 0.082 and with air the capacitance is 0.062.